Dwi'n pwyso 55 kilo a dwi'n codi 86 kilo yn y snatch a 110 yn y clean and jerk. A fi sy'n dal y national record yn Gymru. Wnes i ddechrau codi pwysau pan oeddwn i 13 oed. Fi'n meddwl wnes i weld codi pwysau ar y teledu yn y Olympics a wedyn wnes i dechrau mynd i'r gym hefo dad.
A number of years ago, she came with me to the gym training, and then I found out she had good flexibility, mobility, and strength to body weight ratio. What we did then, we tried some weightlifting moves, and we found then that she adapted very rapidly towards performing these exercises, which obviously she's improved over the years as we've gone on.
Pan dwi'n codi pwysau, does na ddim lot mawr yn mynd trwy fy meddwl. Dwi'n just canolbwyntio ar fy hun a dwi yn y zone. Mae yna lot o pobl sydd wedi cael dyflanwad arno fi, ond y mwyaf ydy dad oherwydd mae di cefnogi fi o'r dechrau. Ond y peth mwyaf pwysig ydy mae o'n fel ffrind i fi.
Been working together, to be fair, it's been rewarding. Getting your athlete to get to a certain level is excellent, but when you've got an athlete and maybe a relative of yours, like in this case it's my daughter, it's worked out very well. I've seen her progress throughout the years. I've seen how she's gone from different competitions, from like a local competition and up to national, international, and even to the World Championships.
Fi wedi cystadlu yn y Commonwealth Championships, Youth Junior Senior, European Championships Youth Junior, a hefyd dwi wedi cystadlu yn y World Championships Youth a Junior, ond fydd y Commonwealth Games yr un mwyaf hyd yn hyn.
Watching Catrin at the Commonwealth Games is going to be a bit nervy and a bit emotional to times. So when she goes to the games this time, she'll be with a national coach and she's in very capable hands there. And hopefully, as we say, we'll get a very good result for Wales.
Mae'r Commonwealth Games yn Birmingham, felly dwi hefo lot o teulu a ffrindiau yn dod i weld fi yn cystadlu a dwi am wneud bob dim i ennill gold medal i Gymru.